Today I'm going to show you how to enable tagging in Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to highlight your comments or responses in email threads, making it easier for recipients to identify your contributions in group conversations or collaborative emails. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account so all your emails can load properly. This initial step ensures you're working within your active Outlook environment where all the settings we'll adjust are accessible. Once your emails have fully loaded and you're viewing your inbox, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this at the top part of your screen where all your main tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab to open it up. This menu contains most of the core configuration options for Outlook, so it's essential to know where it is. After clicking File, you'll see a menu appear with various options. Look carefully at the very bottom part of this File menu. Here you'll spot an option labeled Options. Click on Options to proceed. This will open a new window called Outlook Options, which houses all the detailed settings you can customize for your email experience. In the Outlook Options window, you'll notice a left side menu with several categories. Click on Mail from this menu. This section controls how your email composition and reading experience works. Within the Mail section, scroll through until you find an option called Stationery and Fonts. This might seem like an unusual place for tagging settings, but it's where Outlook manages how your personal marks and comments appear. Click on Stationery and Fonts to continue. A new window will pop up labeled Signatures and Stationery. This is where the magic happens. In this window, look for a checkbox that says Mark My Comments With. This is the feature that enables @tagging functionality in Outlook. Simply check this box to enable it. What's great about this option is that you can also customize how you want your name to appear when you tag yourself or make comments. You'll see a text field right next to the checkbox where you can type in how you'd like your name displayed, whether it's your full name, just your first name, or even a nickname. Once you've enabled the checkbox and customized your display name if desired, click OK to save all your changes. The window will close and your settings will be applied immediately. And that's it. You've successfully enabled tagging in Outlook, giving you a more personalized way to mark your contributions in email conversations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.